Sa dami-dami ng pera ni Floyd Mayweather, totoo ba ang balita? Floyd Mayweather bankrupt or near bankrupt issue. Ito ba ay may katotohanan? Pag-uusapan po natin. At ang laban ni Manny Pacquiao, sino ba talaga makakalaban niya this 2026? Meron akong hindi magandang balita. Pero speaking of laban, papakita ko rin sa inyo kung ano po yung mga laban na abangan natin this January. Pagkatapos po ng mabilis na intro. Powcast Sports. Be back. Ako po si Pao Salud ng Paco Sports. Just in case hindi ka pa nakasubscribe or na-hit yung notification bell para wala kang mamintis, araw-arawin ko na po yung mga update po sa sports. Specifically, of course, sa boxing na pinapanood nyo ngayon. Specific of updates bago natin pag-usapan yung ating malaman na usapan. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga laban po na dapat natin abangan this January. At ito po ay mga international fights para po sa mga international boxing fans. So this January 3rd, meron na kagad tayong Ring WB and WBA featherweight titles. Ito pong si Amanda Serrano versus Reina Teles, and magkakasunod na po yan January 10, 24, 31st. Ayan, maraming 31st. At ang pinaka main event natin sa 31st, yung laban po ni Chofimo Lopez at ni Shakur Stevenson. So abangan po natin yan. And alam ko naman ang inaabangan talaga yung laban ni Manny Pacquiao. Siyempre mga Filipino, karamihan ng mga nanonood dito. By the way, kung Filipino ka at ikaw ay nasa ibang bansa, pa-comment nga kung taga anong bansa ka. Alright, pag-usapan na natin itong kay Floyd Mayweather. Ikaw ba ay naniniwala na bankrupt or mababankrupt si Floyd Mayweather sa dami-dami ng pera na kinita niya na pinapakita niya online? Totoo ba na, na bankrupt or mababankrupt or maraming utang itong si Floyd Mayweather? Alam mo, ito pala, itong article na ito, June 29, 2025. At ito, mid-year pa lamang ay binabalita na ang kanyang pagka-bankrupt. Pati ba naman 2026 ay umabol pa, actually December, no? At ito, ano rin to, May, no? Pero ito talaga, sinanap ko kasi hindi siya kagad nagre-resurface until you kasi nakita ko na kagad yung sa isang post. Business Insider yung nagsulat. So this was written by Business Insider December 28, 2025. So ilang araw pa lang no nakakalipas at hindi ko babasahin ng buo pero sasabihin ko sa inyo ang nilalaman. According po dito ay marami siyang utang sa kanya pong mga taxes, mga luxury taxes at yung kanya pong building umano sa Las Vegas ay maririmata dahil di siya nagbabayad at yung kanya pong investment sa New York, yung kanya pong real estate business na sinasabi niya na kumikita ay mukhang mafo-foreclose din. So, yun po yung issue ngayon. But, hindi naman ito bago kay Floyd Mayweather. Ilang beses na rin itong napabalita na itong si Floyd Mayweather ay bankrupt, itong si Floyd Mayweather ay may problema sa pera, pero ang nangyayari, pinapakita niya na mayaman pa rin siya at kumikita pa rin siya ng pera. Ngayon, according dito sa Business Insider Report, ay hindi umano naasikaso ng ayos yung negosyo niya. Of course, ang pinaka-update at mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kasi lagot talaga yung Business Insider dito dahil na-demanda rin ang Business Insider for writing this. Ang sabi po ng company Floyd Mayweather, walang katotohanan dito. Pero ito yung pinakahuli. Basahin nyo, napakahaba po ng artikulo, pero napakadaming investment ni Floyd Mayweather. Hindi natin alam. Because same thing is in boxing, no? If your business or your career is not handled by professional, it's gonna be difficult. But no, sabi dito ni Floyd, I fear no man but God. Let's get it. Money, no? Parang pinapakita niya na marami pa rin siyang pera. Pero there's a note here. Ito yung note. Note, Floyd Mayweather filed a defamation lawsuit against Business Insider in connection with the previous story about Mayweather's real estate investment. The case is pending and NBI stands by its reporting, meaning Business Insider. So, ibig sabihin, sila po ay talagang pinapaniwalaan nila yung kanilang report. Well, dapat lamang, no? Dahil kasi yung mga ganitong klaseng report, pwede po makadamage talaga. At kung ang natamaan mo ay papalag, talaga madedemanda ka. So, as of right now, ang opinion ko lamang dito ay ako'y naniniwala na pag may usok, may apoy, there could be or there could be not, but we can all speculate, but only time will tell. Which in conjunction, sabi nila kaya naman matutuloy na yung laban ni Pacquiao at saka ni Floyd Mayweather. At mukhang ayan din po yung balita ng Ring Magazine. Kasi the bad news and the good news is that ito po, no, when you click Floyd Mayweather, ito actually lumabas 3 days ago. Ngayon po ay January 2. So, Floyd Mayweather back on the table for Manny Pacquiao after Rolly Romero talks collapse. Okay, ibig sabihin, ang pangit na balita ay yung Rolly Romero fight is not gonna happen because umano itong si Rolly Romero, not umano, I mean confirm na kakalabanin or pinapalaban ng WBA si Rolly Romero kay Shakram Giasov who is the mandatory challenger. And ngayon, syempre, yan ang unang plano no? Kasi after nung laban ni Manny Pacquiao kay Mario Barrios, parang walang interesado hindi interesado yung company Manny Pacquiao mag-rematch. So, Rolly Romero was the next option, which is maraming na-excite dito. Maraming sabi na ito magandang laban. Ito, hindi na to boring na makikipagbakbakan na to si Rolly Romero. So, I was actually expecting na ito yung mangyayari talaga. Ngunit, may problema. So, but again, nothing is final. According po kay Mike Kappenger, Floyd Mayweather back on the table. So, ibig sabihin, secondary option si Floyd. Now, the question that I have here, and the same question that I think we'll find out soon. Kasi ito pong si Floyd Mayweather, aside from the issue, yung kanyang issue po sa finances, umano, allegedly, he is also rumored to be fighting Mike Tyson. So, how does it work in reference to timing? Kasi si Manny Pacquiao, dapat ang laban niya kay Romero, January or hanggang March. Pero it looks like it will be impossible now kasi January na ngayon, di pa nagte-training and you need at least 2 months training minimum. The last time Manny Pacquiao fought, sinabi niya kulang yung training niya. So, baka 3 months ang kailangan, which means ang kanya mga magiging laban, if January na ngayon, February, March, April, baka May na or June. Kung ito si Floyd ay lalaban kay Mike Tyson, who I heard is fighting Mike Tyson, naglabas na sila ng poster pa nga ng isang exhibition bout sa Africa, saan dyan si Manny Pacquiao? So, unfortunately, that's the most recent update dito po sa Manny Pacquiao next fight. So, malabo pa. Wala pa tayong alam kung ano. But all we know, there are negotiations in place, but nothing is set in stone yet. But hopefully, magawa na kagad yan kasi mukhang nagkakaunahan If this is what I think could happen, if kailangan talaga ng pera ni Floyd, then maybe he can fight Manny Pacquiao. But Floyd doesn't want to fight Manny Pacquiao in a professional, I think. Pero Pacquiao wants a professional fight kasi gusto niya makabawi. So, that's the thing. Is Floyd coming back to professional? Kasi he can earn the money by probably fighting Mike Tyson, probably fighting a Jake Paul or an influencer and not get his 50-0 record, umaga madumihan yung record na yun. So, that is the question that we have. What do you think, guys? So, yan po yung pinaka-update regarding kay Floyd Mayweather. Sabi niya, hindi totoo yung bankruptcy. Manny Pacquiao, hindi pa natin alam kung sino talaga makakalaban. Pasensya na kayo. Yun yung pinaka, at least, sure tayo sa mga laban sa January magaganda. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys.